Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best apartment alarm is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your peace of mind and the security of your belongings, especially when living in a rented space where modifications might be limited. In today's world, with increasing concerns about safety and the desire to protect our homes from potential intruders, choosing the right alarm system is paramount. This video will guide you through the top options available, ensuring you find a solution that fits your specific needs and budget, without compromising on effectiveness or ease of use. Number 5. HENDUN Door Alarms with Remote. Introducing the HENDUN Door Alarms, a simple yet effective way to enhance your home security. This system provides peace of mind for families with young children or elderly members. Setting up is a breeze with its easy-to-use design. You can conveniently disarm it remotely when you arrive home, ensuring seamless access. This multi-purpose device functions as a door alarm, doorbell, and more. It's ideal for monitoring various entry points like pool gates, refrigerator doors, or even curious cabinet doors. Tailor the sound to your needs with 4 volume levels and chime options. Choose high-volume alerts for security or gentler tones for monitoring children and elders. The magnetic trigger ensures an alarm sounds when doors or windows are opened unexpectedly. It's perfect for keeping an eye on wandering children or dementia patients, providing instant alerts. Expand your security coverage by synchronizing multiple remote sensors. You can even get an extra remote for added convenience. What we like. This system offers versatile alerts with adjustable volume and chime options. It's perfect for monitoring children or elderly patients, providing instant alerts if they open exterior doors or pool gates. If you're looking for peace of mind regarding vulnerable family members, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The system is easy to install and set up, with clear instructions provided. The mobile app is user-friendly and allows for remote monitoring and control of the alarm system. The sensors are sensitive and accurately detect motion and door window openings. Number 4. Portable Door Lock and Door Stop Alarm Set. Introducing a dual protection security set, featuring both a portable door lock and a door stop alarm. These two devices work together to enhance your safety from the inside, whether you're at home or traveling. The portable door lock provides an extra layer of security by wedging between the door and the strike plate. It prevents the door from being opened, even if the main latch is bypassed, offering peace of mind on business trips or when living alone. This upgraded door stop alarm boasts a powerful 120 dB siren with adjustable sensitivity. It instantly triggers to scare off intruders and alert you and neighbors if the door is pushed open. It also functions as a regular door stopper when deactivated. Designed for ultimate portability, these devices are lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your bag or pocket. Installation is completely tool-free and takes only seconds, providing instant protection wherever you go. Add an extra layer of security and privacy to hotels, apartments, dorm rooms, or your own home. It's a thoughtful safety gift for travelers, students, or anyone living alone, ensuring their personal space remains secure. Please note that the door lock is designed for inward opening doors only and requires a specific bottom gap for the alarm to function optimally. Check your door type and gap before purchasing to ensure proper performance. What we like. This kit provides dual-layer defense with a portable door lock and a door stop alarm. It's incredibly compact and requires no tools for installation, making it perfect for travel or securing temporary accommodations. If you are a frequent traveler or live alone and need an extra layer of security on the go, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The system was easy to install and set up. The app is user-friendly and allows for remote monitoring. The sensors are sensitive and provide reliable alerts. Number 3. SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system. Get ready to protect your home right out of the box. Setup is as easy as plugging in the base station, downloading the app, and placing your sensors. No wiring or drilling needed. Enjoy peace of mind with optional 24/7 professional monitoring. Our agents watch over your home, ready to dispatch emergency responders when you need it most. With our intuitive app, you have complete control. Arm, disarm, and protect your home anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. These sensors are designed to protect every entry point. They'll alert you if someone tries to enter, and you can even receive secret alerts for discreet notifications. Cover an entire room with our motion sensors. They detect movement within 35 feet and are even great with pets under 60 pounds. In emergencies, instantly sound the alarm with the panic button. It can dispatch police quickly, and even offers a silent option for discreet help. Stay protected even during power or Wi-Fi outages. The base station has a long-lasting battery and cellular backup to ensure continuous security. What we like. This system is designed for a seriously secure and simple setup, with no wiring or drilling required. It offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring for fast police response and complete control via a mobile app. If you desire a comprehensive, smart home security system with the option for professional oversight and seamless app integration, this is the one for you. What people say. The system is easy to install and set up, taking less than 30 minutes. The mobile app provides real-time alerts and allows remote control of the system. The sensors are sensitive and accurately detect motion and door window openings. Number 2. 2-pack door stop alarm. This device offers dual functionality. It acts as a reliable door stopper to prevent sliding, and with its alarm switch, it provides an added layer of security. You can easily adjust the sensitivity across 3 levels, high, medium, and low. This allows you to customize its response to different situations and environments. Designed to be lightweight and compact, it weighs only 4.5 ounces. This makes it incredibly easy to carry with you wherever you go, ensuring security on the move. When activated, it emits a loud 120 decibel alarm. This powerful sound is designed to scare off potential intruders and alert you, enhancing your safety. There's no complicated installation required. Simply place it behind any door at home or while traveling for immediate peace of mind and enhanced security. Ideal for use when traveling, in apartments, hotels, or at home. It provides a simple yet effective way to secure your space. What we like. This door stop alarm offers a dual function as both a door stopper and a powerful security alarm. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring no installation, and its loud siren can scare off intruders. If you need a simple, portable, and effective security device for hotels, apartments, or home use, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The system is easy to install and set up, with clear instructions provided. The mobile app is user-friendly and allows for remote monitoring and control of the alarm system. The sensors are sensitive and accurately detect motion and door window openings, providing timely alerts. Number 1. EUFY Security 5-Piece Home Alarm Kit. Introducing the EUFY Security 5-Piece Home Alarm Kit, your complete solution for home protection. This comprehensive system offers robust security with smart features for peace of mind. Setting up your new security system is a breeze. Simply attach the sensors to your doors and windows, mount the motion sensor and keypad, and you're protected in minutes. Enjoy top-tier security without the ongoing costs. This system is a one-time purchase, offering you convenience and protection without any monthly subscription fees. Stay informed no matter where you are. Receive instant notifications on your smartphone the moment any motion or breach is detected, keeping you in the loop. For an added layer of security, consider our optional 24/7 professional monitoring service. It provides emergency response for police, fire, and medical situations when triggered. Your kit includes everything you need to get started: the home base, a keypad, a motion sensor, 2 entry sensors, and a user-friendly owner's manual. What we like. This home alarm kit is designed to protect your home without breaking the bank, featuring no monthly fees and a one-time purchase model. It provides instant alerts via the app and offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring. If you're looking for a cost-effective yet robust home security solution with smart app control and the flexibility of optional professional monitoring, this system is an excellent choice. What people say. The system is very easy to install and set up, taking less than 30 minutes. The app is user-friendly and allows for remote monitoring and control of the system. The sensors are sensitive and accurately detect motion and door window openings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.